Namaste. I'm Dr. Wazida Rahman. I'm an assistant professor of law in Rajiv Gandhi National Law University, Punjab. So basically, I'm researching on environmental justice as an ecological justice for the biodiversity. So in this research, we have found that lots of environmental conflicts like climate changes, then we have biodiversity extinction, and then we are also having many other conflicts which are also biocultural, which are like nature and human conflicts. So in that situation, how we are handling the environment protection and also to believe on the environmental development or environmental protection or the restoration of the environment in collaboration with the economic development as well, because we can't go back to the primitive society. We have to be continuously developing. So in this regard, how environmental justice can be maintained in the whole region of India. So that is my prime discussion. So in this Y20 summit, I think in 2023, 29th April, the last Mann Ki Baat, when the Prime Minister of India, he was appealing the whole of the people of India that to sensitive for the environment or sustainability. So I think this is Y20, they are at the right time, they are given the opportunity to talk and to discuss on that particular issue. Thank you.